In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download wallpaper from Pinterest mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a wallpaper you love and save it to your phone in just a few taps. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so images load clearly. You'll land on your home feed, but we're going straight to search so we can quickly find the exact style you want. At the bottom of the screen, tap the search icon. It looks like a magnifying glass. This opens the search page with a keyboard ready for you to type. Using search is the fastest way to narrow down millions of pins into the perfect wallpaper. In the search bar, type what you want to download. Be as specific as you can. For example, try aesthetic mobile wallpaper, nature phone wallpaper, or minimal black wallpaper. Adding words like vertical, iPhone, or Android can help surface images that fit your screen better. As you type, Pinterest will suggest related phrases. Feel free to tap a suggestion if it matches what you have in mind. When results appear, scroll through and look for clear, high-quality images that are labeled as wallpapers or sized for phones. When you spot one you like, tap the image to open it. This expands the pin so you can see it in full and check the details. Give it a second to load completely. Higher resolution images may take a moment. If you want to compare, you can swipe up slightly to preview similar pins, then tap back on the one you prefer. Now, download the image, look for the three dots menu, usually in the top corner of the pin. Tap the three dots, then select Download Image. If your phone asks for permission to save to photos or files, allow it so Pinterest can store the image on your device. On some Android phones, you may be prompted to choose a folder. Pick your Pictures or Downloads folder. On iPhone, the image typically goes straight to your Photos app. Wait for the confirmation that the download is complete. It usually appears briefly at the bottom of the screen. That's it. The wallpaper is now saved on your phone, ready to use. For best results, choose images that are vertical and look crisp when you zoom in before downloading. And remember to respect creators, use wallpapers for personal use, and avoid reposting without permission. Thanks for watching. If this helped, try the same process with different search terms until you find a style that matches your home screen perfectly.